Rootstock is a great value to Kiva because it is a manufacturing ERP built on the Salesforce platform. So having the customization of the Salesforce platform to really hone in and customize the UI, the UX for our specific business cases and business processes has been a really powerful tool for us to scale and grow.
Moving over to Rootstock, we're able to standardize all of our processes. People can see the data in the same token, so our reporting becomes better, our data set becomes better, and also people are happier because they don't have to log into this system and this system. They can actually see from order all the way to cash in one elegant system.
Our vision as an organization was to create a singular cloud-based platform that we could weave all of our business processes into. Our project management staff being capped out at $4 million in project portfolio, and now having PMs that are managing upwards of $13 million in projects, so tripling their capacity. Rootstock's been a key contributor to that success.
Having that transparency from what's going on in the office to what's going on the floor, and having it literally right at your fingertips.
Rootstock has really helped us shorten our month-end close cycle. So because you can see everything right away, you're not waiting a week or two to get your financial results. You're processing live in real time.
We've been able to use Rootstock to automate much of our purchasing process. The ROI on this project is less than 2 years, which is a fantastic, that's a no-brainer project to start. We're saving thousands of hours in a company where we've got 32 people. So that is, of course, a huge win.
It was really important for us to have an all-encompassing software that connected with our CRM and took it all the way from order entry down to work orders to purchasing to fulfillment to the financial aspect, to be able to bring that whole 360 experience to our customer base, but also to our employees. And Rootstock has allowed us to do that.
I'm constantly getting suggestions from the shop floor about how to get their processes in Rootstock. It's amazing.
It's a really powerful tool, and it's a really great ecosystem. The Rootstock ecosystem, the Salesforce ecosystem, I think you can do incredible things. The partners are all great. The other customers are all incredibly interesting. Rootstock as a company is great as well. So I think you're in really good hands. I think it's really just what can you imagine doing with that tool as opposed to what are you constrained to do with other tools.